Hey everyone, today we're checking out the DOS Trust 3-pack Bento box, glass meal prep containers that come with 3 compartments and secure lids. These glass food storage containers are perfect for meal prepping, keeping your food fresh and organized throughout the day. Each compartment helps separate different foods, preventing mixing and making portion control easy. The sturdy glass material is durable, microwave safe, and dishwasher friendly for convenient use and cleanup. Plus, the airtight lids ensure your meals stay sealed and spill-free during transport. Whether you're packing lunch for work, school, or a picnic, these meal prep bowls offer a reliable and stylish solution. Stay organized and enjoy fresh meals with these versatile bento box containers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.